myself Maruti. Welcome you all to this math video session. Right, in this video I have taken a topic from linear pair of equations under two variables. Linear pair of equations under two variables. Now, as I said, two variables means we have two equations, right? To set up those two equations, we generally connect it to the real life. Okay, now in this one I am dealing with the two objects like the pants and shirts or skirts, right? So general purchase, we are talking about two friends, what is going on. Now assume that a girl by name Neha, she went to purchase some articles or some pants and skirts into a shop. Now she purchased a few, she came back home and she was asked by one of her friends, how many did you purchase, how many pants and how many skirts you have purchased. So to answer that one, she has done in terms of relation. He was telling the relation between the pants and the skirts. So how the relation went on. So now how many skirts did Neha purchase? How many pants she has purchased? Let's come back. Let's go for the question here. Neha went to sale to purchase some pants and skirts. As I said, she went for a sale to purchase pants and skirts. When her friend asked her how many of each she has bought, how many pants and how many skirts, what did Neha respond? What did she say? She said, the number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants purchased. She is setting the relation between the pants and the skirts by using certain mathematical keywords. We'll come back to that one. So what she said? The number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants purchased. So she has given the relation, one relation between pants and skirts. But here, as I said, it is a linear pair of equations under two variables. So when we are having two variables like pants and skirts, two unknowns, we definitely need two equations, means two type of or two sets of relations. So the relation what he has given, as it is, the number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants purchased. Let us call it as relation 1. But we need one more relation. What she said again? The number of skirts is 4 times the number of pants purchased. She has given two relations. I repeat the second relation. The number of skirts are 4 times the number of pants purchased. And so my question is, here the question is, how many pants and how many skirts? That is what we are supposed to find it out here. But before getting into the sum, at any cost, we should know certain mathematical terms, what we call it as keywords. If you are able to know the keywords, the meaning of that one, straight away we can set the equation. Let's come back to the keywords here. Right. What's it? The number of skirts are 2 less than. First word what I have seen is less than. So in mathematics, whenever come across less than, you are supposed to remember it is nothing but take away, subtraction, minus. So first keyword what we are able to see is less than. Less than means minus, take away or whatever. Now twice. This is the second keyword what we have seen. Twice. So what's the meaning of twice? T-W-I-C-E. Twice means 2 times of something. Twice means 2 times of something. What is that something? The variable. 2 times of something is nothing but the twice. That is the second keyword. And also the number of skirts are 4 less than. I already said what is the meaning of less than. And the next one, 4 times. 4 times. This is the next times. So 4 times it is said. 4 times. So you please remember it is nothing but 4 into something. Times 4 into something. What is that something? The unknown, the variable, the unknown, the x or the y, which we are going to set it now. So now if you go for that one, if you keenly observe, there are few more terms which we are supposed to observe. What are those? Are, right, all such things, right, is, right. Don't mind, those also matters. Those are also keywords. So we are supposed to remember the important keywords like is, are, Right, such things always remember they means equal to, is, are, all those things are nothing but equal to. So we are all set with all the keywords now. Now let's get back to what are the two things we are comparing, what are the two objects he is talking about. So the first, that's nothing but the basics of the sum now. So I like to go under the basics. So what is the object 1 he is talking about? What is the object 1? Object 1 is nothing but the first one, the pants. So thus I like to take it as the first object. Pants are nothing but the first object. Okay, now, right, what are the second object? Second object is nothing but the skirts. So object 2 is nothing but the skirts. If you go as in terms, object 2 is nothing but the skirts, whatever is there. Right. So what are the two objects he is discussing here is nothing but the pants and the skirts. Now, always please remember, okay. Now, what is compared to what? Right. What is compared to what? So, that's the logic we are taking here. Right. Now, let us take it as pants. Well, right. The number of skirts are 2 less than the number of pants. Skirts are compared to pants. I repeat, skirts are compared to pants. To which it is compared? It is compared to the pants. Okay, right. To which it is compared. To which it is compared, you take it as, please remember, to which it is compared, take it as X. To which it is compared. Skirts are compared to the pants. Therefore, to which it is compared? To the pants. Therefore, let's take that as X. So, I like to call it as number of pants equals X. Please remember, to which it is compared, you take it as X. Right, please remember that one. Now, which is compared, you take it as Y. Which is compared, which is compared, you take it as Y. This is my beautiful suggestion. This is the logic 1 I am talking about. To which it is compared, you take it as X, and which is compared, you take it as Y. So which is compared? Skirts are, that's what he says, right? See here, skirts are compared to the pants. Skirts are compared to the pants. Therefore, so number of pants I am taking it as X, and number of skirts, right, I like to take it as Y. This is the cool logic. I am telling these logics forever. For every such kind of, any object, it might be skirts and the pants, cycle and the car, anything, comparison, length and width, money, marks, whatever it might be. Always when we are dealing with object related sums, the one which is compared, this is the logic we have to remember. To which it is compared, take it as X, and which is compared, take it as Y. Cool. Now, so basic concept is done, right? Logic is all set. Now let's go for the relation what he has given. What is the relation he has given? Number of skirts given here, given. What is given here? Right, given. What is given? Number of skirts, right? Number of skirts are 2 less than twice number of pants. This is what it is given. Number of skirts are 2 less than twice number of pants. Now I am going for one more logic for you, that is logic 2. This is logic 2, beautiful way. What is that one? So please remember, order of sentence. Order of sentence will be in this direction, moving from here to here. Right, now order of symbol will be in the reverse direction. This is the logic what you have read. If the sentence is written in this way, right, symbol should be written in the opposite way. I like to let you know, number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants. Sentence is written in this way, right? We have to write symbol in the opposite direction. That's what I am saying. If the sentence is moving in this direction, right, symbol should be written in this direction. Sentence is written in this direction. Now I will set it to you. Number of skirts. What are skirts represented? See here. Skirts are represented by y. Point 1. Right. R. Just now I said E's and R are nothing but equals. Okay. The T is see here. I will be writing for you. Y equals. Till there, cool, no issues. Skirts are y equals. Now see the sentence here. This is the sentence. 2 less than twice the number of pants. I like to go in this direction. Right? First to go with the pants. What are pants here? Pants are nothing but x. First I like to write x. Now the right 2. Write what he says. Twice the number of pants. Twice the number of pants. So 2 times of that pants. Right? Less than minus how much? 2. Oh, I think I messed up. Let me write it down. Right? So if this is direction going in this direction, now let us write a 2 here first. 2 less than 2 times of x. Right? See here. 2 is present to this side and for us 2 is present to this end. Right? Twice of pants is towards this end. For us it is towards this end. We are writing the reverse. 2 less than twice the number of pants. Right? 2 is at the starting. We have written at the end. This is the cool thing what we have to remember. So this is straight away. If you are done, if you are satisfied, this is equation 1. Cool. Right. Now straight away jump back to the relation 2. What he has given the relation 2. What he has given. Let's go for the next one. Number of skirts. I am going quick now. Number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants. 4 times number of pants. Right. Now the same logic. Whatever the logic, if the sentence is moving in this direction, symbol should be moving in this direction, but not the first one. Number of skirts. What we are talking about? Y. You take y. Is. Just now I said is means equal. Till here no issues. Till here going the same way. Now from now onwards the sentence should be reverse. Right? 4 less than. What is the beginnings? The beginning. This is beginning. We will make it as ending. 4 less than means, as I said, it is nothing but minus 4 times. Just now I said 4 times of pants. What are the pants here? It is nothing but x. So if you are able to understand, that's great. Any sentence, any word problem, we have to use this logic. These 2 logics. Right? Order of sentence is reverse to the order of the symbols. If you remember these 2, now straight away we call this as equation 2. Done. So basic concept is done. Equation 1 we are ready to set. Equation 2 we are ready to set. Now simple concept. What's that? The next one, solving equations 1 and 2 by, we will go in different method. Substitution method. So simple. See here. Y equals this and y equals this. We can go from equation 1 and 2. What we can say directly, y equals this answer and y equals this answer. Straight away I can say 2x minus 2 equals 4x minus 4. I am equating them. Of course, we can call this as substitution. How? Because y is equal to 4x minus 4, right? So, in the place of y, I am taking this and substituting there. No issues. They both are equal. Now, let's simplify. Write the bigger one, 4x minus 2x, and this is minus 2 plus 4. This is nothing but 2 equals 2x and 1. So therefore, x is equal to 1. Cool. Right, x we got it. But we need to find the value of y also. Substituting, right, x equals 1 in equation, right, or what it says, equation 1. What is that? Y equals 2x minus 2. Y equals 2 into, right, what is the x value got? 1. So y equals 2 minus 2, which implies y equals 0. Okay, you got the x value and you got the y value. That is cool. Till there we have done. But as I said you, until we verify, we can't say the answer. Verification. Okay, you take any one of the equation and substitute it and check whether LHS is equal to RHS. Let me take the second equation. So equation 2, what we are having, y is equal to 4x minus 4. Let's substitute the x value and y value in that one. So y equals how much? 0 is equal to 4 into x value is 1 minus 4. 0 is equal to 4 minus 4. 0 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS. Yes, we have verified. So after verifying, don't stay there. Don't stay there. Conclusion is needed. Conclusion is must. Okay, what is the conclusion? How many number of pants Neha has purchased? Neha has purchased how many pants? Number of what pants? Number of pants, comma, x is equal to how many number of pants? 1. Number of skirts. Right, y equals 0 means she did not purchase any skirt, just she has purchased only pants. So this is how, hope you are able to understand key concepts, basics, logics and the relations. But while setting the relation, order of sentence is reverse to the order of the symbols. If you set like this, any kind of this object concept sum, you can easily do that. Hope you. In this channel, I have been placing both math and science videos.